Children are the fruits, make the trees. Children makes the today event colorful and brightful. Please come, LKG from Krishna. Hello,
Hello,
my name is
my name is
Krishna.
Krishna.
I am studying in
I am saying LKG.
today.
Today's topic
Orange.
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 Orange is
Sweet.
sweet and good for you,
Good for health.
good for health.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ನಾಳೆ ಮಿಸ್ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ
पूरा निकालते लो
ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ he became banana.
My name is
Shreyas.
Shreyas.
I became
I became
mango.
mango,
Mango no banana na.
banana.
Here. Banana is a
Banana is a
yellow fruit.
yellow fruit.
It used
It is
in
in
smoothies
smoothies
and
eat
raw
raw
fruit.
food.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
फोटो काढला बघू
Next participant Bhavani. Hi, Jorani.
Hi.
My name is
My name is
Bhavani.
Bhavani.
I became
I became
pineapple.
pineapple.
Here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next participant Virant Reddy. He became a watermelon.
My name is Virant Reddy.
I'm studying in
I am studying LKG.
Today I became
Today I became
watermelon.
watermelon.
Watermelon is a
Watermelon is a
juicy fruit.
I love
I love
to eat
to eat
watermelon.
watermelon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, ma. Hi, ma.
Kasturi Miss wait. Next participant Lekhana. She became a Gawa.
Good morning, my name is Lekhana. I am studying in LKG. I am Kuva in green color. I am healthy, rich in vitamin C and fiber. Thank you.
Very good.
Hi.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Next participant Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ. My name is
My name is
Harshavardhan.
Ashavardhan.
Today
Today
I became
I became
pomegranate.
pomegranate.
I love to
I like to
eat
eat
pomegranate
pomegranate.
and I like it.
I like it.
In this
fruit
has
as
vitamin C,
vitamin C.
so
So
I like it.
I like it.
It is
It is
good for
good for
blood,
blood,
etc.
etc.
Thank you.
Thank you.